Hello, I'm Billy from Burton Caravan Centre. Now, we're doing a video today to kind of explain the sales process, because we can understand that even if you're not a newbie, can be quite daunting. Obviously what's involved with the sales process, purchasing a caravan, if you've got a part exchange, there can be a lot of questions. It can be quite a daunting process, as lovely as it is buying a caravan. But we've had the question a lot recently and we thought, you know what, let's do a video to explain how easy it is and how stress-free it can be. So we're going to go ahead and show you exactly what is involved with buying a caravan. Right, so step one to any kind of purchasing really is finding exactly what you want. Now, if you want to view at your own leisure, by all means, if you'd like the help of myself or Dave, by all means ask us. If you need to ask any questions, no matter how silly it is, just ask the question, because that's what we're here to do. We're here to inform and we're here to help. But step one to anything is finding your perfect van. So with us, we have a great range of caravans, whether that be 2-berth, 4-berth, 6-berth, single axle, twin axle if you're looking for a fixed bed, bunk beds, whatever you're looking for, we will always have a great selection of vans in. So what you want to start doing is looking in them all, finding what works for you. You might be surprised at what you find online doesn't quite suit you when you step inside, or the one that you didn't think suited you works perfectly when you actually get in it. So have a look round, find your perfect caravan, and then when we're ready to start the next step, approach the relevant salesman. Dave, I'm ready. So here we are. I've found the perfect caravan for me. We're going to go on to the next step now, and that is ordering the caravan. Whether you've got a part exchange involved or whether it's a straight purchase, we will take you through the steps and what it's going to take to get you into your dream caravan. So at this point, we're ready to do the order. So we'll go through an order form with you. We will then go through some terms and conditions. And I promise they're nothing too scary, and we'll talk you through everything and we'll be as transparent as we possibly can be. Now at this point, if we've got part exchanges involved, if we haven't already, we can get that priced up for you. If you're looking at finance, we can go through making some relevant quotes with you and obviously seeing how that works and going through any applications as required. Obviously we do extras as well, so if you're looking at starter kits, extended warranties, tyre-on bands, even paint seal from Paint Seal Direct, we can go through all these extras with you and see exactly what you want and get the sum total all on the order form. Once we're ready, and at this point it's as easy as agreeing a collection date and a time, and we'll get the caravan prepped and ready for you. So all we need to do now is sign on the dotted line. So now that we've got all the paperwork in place, it's a case of getting the caravan ready for you. So what we'll do, if we're at the Stafford branch here, we will get the van transferred over to Burton, and that'll be done by one of our trusted drivers. Once it's over there, the caravan goes through a full comprehensive service, so we'll check everything, not quite literally, but you know what I mean by head to toe, and make sure that that caravan is working perfectly for you. Once that's done, it will transfer back to Stafford, or if you've bought the van from Burton, stay there, and it will be handed back over to the relevant salesperson. Once we've got the van back, we can then get it valeted again additionally for you, so it's nice and squeaky clean and perfect for you for when you collect it. Additionally, either myself, Dave, or any of the salespeople in the company will be doing demonstration videos showing you exactly how to use that caravan, whether it's a first time that you've never done before or whether it's just a van you're not familiar with. We do these videos so that when you take them away for the first, second, third time, you know exactly what to do. Follow them through from start to finish and you'll be able to set that van up perfectly every single time. So then it's just a case of collecting the caravan. It's the big day, and it's a day to be excited for, but we can understand if you're feeling a bit daunted. So don't worry, we're here to show you everything and go through everything with you so that you understand exactly what you're signing for and you know everything that you're comfortable with before you leave the gates. Now, what to expect on the day. will be 2 sets of paperwork, one for your own copies and one for us. And there's a few differences between the two, but we will explain everything thoroughly to you before you even put pen to paper. If there's anything that you don't understand, please feel free to ask us. We can explain in further detail. If you want to take a read through it at your own pace, just ask us. We will cater to it. Once we've done this, we will then have a look at the funding side of things. If you haven't already paid out already, we can have a look at doing the funding, or whether that's a finance payout. We will get that all sorted on the day for you. Once all the paperwork and the boring bits out the way, we can then officially hand the caravan over to you. Obviously at this point you will have already had the videos, but if you've got any questions or feel you need anything demonstrating to you before you go, please ask, because we're here to help and we want to make sure that you're as happy as you can be before you leave the gates. Once that's all done, we'll look at getting you hitched up, getting you all ready to hit the road, and then we'll watch you on your way out. So there we have it. That is the sales process. People think it can be a daunting thing, but it really isn't. We do all the work for you and we will make it as simple as it can be. And if you have any questions at all during the process, please feel free to get in touch with us, because we're here to help at the end of the day. Now, if you're in the market for a caravan, please get in touch with us, because we're here to help. And whether you've got a general idea of what you're looking for, pick our brains, because we might be able to point you in the right direction, or even show you just what doesn't fit for you, so you know what to look for going down the line. Any questions, no matter how silly they are, we're here to answer them. So please get in touch. It's easy. It doesn't need to be a daunting process at all. Thank you for watching the video. I've been Billy. Dave is on the camera.